The traditional method of cleaning or repairing cross-threaded spark plug ports could mean swarf or metal debris entering the combustion chamber. Whether on a classic engine or something more modern, the new Laser Tool spark plug thread restorer gets around these problems by working from the inside out. The tool is coated in grease and fits down past the threads. It is then expanded to the correct thread diameter and wound out, bringing the swarf and debris up and out of the spark plug port with the tool. Eliminate the chances of cross-threading with this innovative tool. 14mm and 12mm tools are included in the set.